Hey, to be fair, look at the results tonight. Did you any of you actually see that result coming? Because for me, although we were absolutely sort of professionally took apart the first leg with regards to the counter attack and everything else, and the professional performance what Crewe gave us. I never saw that result coming tonight. 0-0 away, and we needed to win. I thought we'd at least win 1 or 2-0 and give us something to cheer about tonight. The most disappointing thing for me is the fact that we've just gone there and we didn't even get a goal.
Dan, we won 2-0.
What?
We won 2-0 tonight.
What do you mean we won 2-0 tonight?
The final score tonight was Crewe Alexandra 0, Coventry City 2. That was the final score.
I'm not having that. We left 2 minutes before the end of the game. We didn't win 2-0 tonight.
And you lost. If you left 2 minutes before the end, you didn't see the 2 goals. We won 2-0.
We won 2-0 tonight, apparently, lads. I'm not having that. You haven't me on.
No, it's generally. It was a Crewe-owned goal and a Leon Clark header. We won 2-0.
You are having me on.
I'm not. We won.
Okay, I tell you what, lads. I tell you what, the 10 goals that you're saying that we had, we literally got a chance to go to the nearest kebab house, and we went, oh my God, this American made for Sky Sports now. We must have scored them goals later than we scored the last 2 away. Who was the last 2 to score that late last?
Against Preston. Dan, this is the best call we've ever had on this radio station. You've really made my night.
I tell you what, it's the best call you've had. I tell you, you've not many calls. I tell you what, if we just win that game 2-0 tonight, oh my God.